Look at this day. We have to make the most of it.
Absolutely. I heard about this amazing park downtown. We should totally check it out.
I love that idea. Let's head there now.
Good morning. Did you guys sleep well?
Yes, I'm full of energy today.
Same here. Let's grab a coffee before we start our day.
Great idea.
I feel today is going to be special.
This place is amazing. And have you tried the croissants yet?
They are incredible. Best in the city. We should definitely get that chocolate one right there. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at those croissants.
I definitely need one.
Good morning. Welcome to the cafe. This spot is perfect. Finally, I'm beat.
And then I realized I had the wrong address the entire time. Yeah.
That is such a classic move.
I remember when you did that last. What are you thinking of getting?
I'm not sure, but this burger looks amazing. You guys have to try this. The strawberry matcha is incredible. Whoa, that looks amazing. I'm getting one too. This croissant is absolutely perfect.
You should see your face right now. She's right though, this is the best cafe. Here, I'll get this round.
Thanks. Here's what I owe you for mine.
Looks good.
Glad we finally made it out of there. Me too. The sun feels amazing. I absolutely did. You should have seen her face.
You are terrible.
I can't believe it.
Right there, get that shot. Got it, look how amazing this turned out.
That's hilarious. Send it to me. Look at this, everyone. It's absolutely perfect. I'm so glad we came today.
The sunlight really makes the colors pop.
Yeah.
Best idea you've had all week.
I really think this is the best route we've taken so far.
It is. I love this lighting.
Yeah. We should come back here next weekend and explore further down.
Look at that branch up there. It must be centuries old. I can't believe how massive this tree is.
It feels so peaceful standing here.
All right, everyone lean in. Ready? One, two, three.
Cheese. Oh, that looks great. It's such a beautiful day out here.
Nice try.
Here?
It really is. The kids are having a blast over there. Look how fast he is.
He's incredible.
Yeah, definitely gets that from you.
Hey, how are you?
We're doing great, lovely day out.
Oh, look how fast he's running.
Hey, buddy, settle down. Good boy.
You are such a good boy. Yes, you are.
Hey guys, look at him. He is so excited to see you.
We missed you too, buddy.
And then he completely fell over.
No way. I can't believe that happened. That is the funniest thing I've heard all week. Seriously, it was the funniest thing I have ever seen. The dog was wearing the hat.
No way. I wish I had been there.
Wait, I haven't even told you the best part yet.
Oh no, tell me everything. It really is the perfect afternoon for this.
I know, I could stay out here all day. Look at those kids playing, makes you smile.
You will not believe what happened next.
Oh no, spill it. This sounds like trouble already.
So I told him, you can't just bring a llama to the party.
And he said, why not? Oh my God, Alex, that is the funniest thing I've heard all week. He really said that.
Taxi!
Perfect timing. Get in, Mia.
Awesome, let's get out of this traffic. Look at that building, it's beautiful.
We should definitely check out the observation deck later.
I heard the view from up there is amazing.
I cannot believe they have the organic tomatoes today.
We should definitely make that pasta dish then.
Perfect, I'll grab the ingredients for the sauce. This baguette looks perfect, smells incredibly fresh.
Oh, try smelling this grapefruit, it's wonderful.
I think this orange juice is the best option here. All right, how much do we owe you today?
That brings the total to $65.25.
Finally, I'm starving. I
think I just paid for Mia's coffee by accident.
Hey, thanks, Alex.
Easiest coffee I ever saw her get. So I told him, absolutely not. We have to go with the extra large pizza.
You always do this, Alex.
She's right, you know? Finally home. What a day.
I am so beat.
Remember that guy with the pineapple?
The bread is sorted. What should we make first?
How about a big fruit salad with all this fresh produce?
I was thinking we could start with the main course first. I'm starving. All right, who's ready for the best juice ever?
Yeah, you say that every time you open one.
You're not wrong this time. Let's toast to that.
Here you go, Alex. And Daniel, try to keep up this time.
Hey, I won the last round.
Only because Mia went easy on you.
I think you're bluffing, Alex. Your face gives it away every time.
Hey, I am not.
He's got nothing. Yes. I win again. You have got to be kidding me. How do you always do this?
Morning, guys. I needed that stretch.
Yeah, me too. This juice is refreshing.
This bread is perfect right now. Let's play this one. I am definitely going to win this time.
Are you sure? I think a movie night sounds better.
I agree with Mia. Another game it is.
How about this new comedy? Looks hilarious.
What about this family movie instead? The reviews are great.
Yeah, I like that one. Let's watch the family movie.
Careful with those plates, Daniel.
Don't worry, I got it.
The room feels so much cozier now.
Remember the scene where she improvised that line?
Oh, that was definitely my favorite part.
Mine too. I almost spit out my drink.
The goal is to get your pieces across the board before Daniel inevitably cheats.
I prefer the term strategic maneuvering.
Right. Mia, you're up.
You two are terrible at this. Hey, watch the shoulder. I almost had it that time.
Sure you did, Daniel.
I told you I'd win. You cheated.
Definitely beginner's luck.
I always forget how long this one takes to put away.
Worth it, though. It was fun.
Definitely. Same time next week?
Today was honestly the best day. We should do that escape room again soon.
Definitely, but maybe we let Daniel pick the clues next time.
What a great day. I really had fun with you both.
Same here. We should plan another day like this.
You two go ahead. I'm heading home. I need a good sleep after all this.